Is that first time I've seen it?
How you got rid of it?
How that did you? And how did you? We've just been having bad luck with the chest armor.
Oh, this is a tough one, Amp.
It's enjoyable.
Remember to look it up right here. Yeah.
Check that curve in your hand. Make sure.
Look at me. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Wait!
He definitely saw the purple.
Yeah, he did. That was awesome.